Hi everybody, this is the Website Boy from the websiteboy.com. On this tutorial, I want to introduce you to a couple functions that output text on the screen, and I also want to introduce you to some escape characters. All right, so we already know about the printf function. This function is responsible for outputting text on the screen and also other things that I will show you in a later tutorial. There's another function called putChar too for put character that outputs strings, and there is another function called puts for string. Put and then s for string. Okay, all these functions output text on the screen, terminal, or command prompt. Now, just want to let you know about those functions there before we go any further. And there is another thing with escape characters. There comes times when you actually need to escape some characters. For example, if I put a double quote right here, it would break this code. It would close it right here, and then this will be discarded, or it will give me an error. So there comes times when I need to escape it, and the way we do that is by putting a forward slash there. That way we can escape that and we can print it out on the screen. We can save it and we can build it and compile, and then we can still display that quote on the terminal or display on the output device. You see it there. But if we don't do that, for example, let me just get out of there. If I do not escape it and I go ahead and save it, build and run, and never fully does that on mine. It fails. As you can see, the build failed here. It has one error, is one warning. Okay, it's telling me on line 8 and right here. That's because I closed it here, and then you know I made that mistake. I never escaped that. All right, now we have a couple escape characters that I want to show you. The first one would be the new line, and this is to start a new line of text. It will start a completely new line of text, and you can just go ahead and do it here, and that will start a new line of text. With separate both of them. um, then we have the tab. This will hop over so many spaces. This will be a single quote, so you can put a single quote in there, and we already seen this one, which is a double quote. And we can, if you really want to escape a backspace character, you can display a backspace like this in there. Sometimes I call this forward slash. I don't know if I'm not saying it right, but I think this is the backspace actually. I think this is the forward slash right here. Yeah. Sometimes I kind of say things in Spanish. I can't translate it 100% in English. But anyways, as you can see here, we got the most common escape characters and the functions that output text. All right. So I just wanted to introduce you to those. That way you have an idea on what's going on. And on later chapters, we're going to be talking about printf here, that you can do multiple things with it, right? It's not just to print strings, but you can do very useful things with it. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly what we can do with it. Anyways, if you were able to learn something with this short and sweet tutorial from the Website Boy, please favorite the video, like it. That way I can keep making more and keep waking up early to help you guys learn more about programming. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and the Website Boy out.